Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful bobble stitches. These I'm not following the pattern, so I don't care about the pattern. It's just terrible. So, I'm going to use a crochet hook. I'm just doing it my way, the way I do it, and I don't remember showing this on any of my tutorials when you're knitting, how to make these bobble stitches, these puffs, these knot stitches, what they're called. I don't like working with a knitting needle because you have to keep on doing yarn over and it's really tough. So I'm going to use a crochet hook. Okay, and we're going to start right away. Okay, so let me just get this closer so you can see it better. So with the crochet hook, it can be any crochet hook. I'm using a 3.5 millimeter crochet hook, US 6. Okay, and so I'm just gonna grab this. This is a stitch. Okay, and I'm going to put this down because I don't need that. Actually, I don't need this either, but I don't want to lose any. So I'm going to go yarn over as if to crochet. Okay, and then what we're going to do is on this stitch, this stitch right here, I'm going to pull. Okay, and I'm going to, it's like doing a puff stitch, and I'm going to do this, I don't know, 4 times, 5 times. It depends on how puffy you want it. So 2, 3, let's do 4. Okay, and then I'm going to pull all at once, and then I'm going to secure it. This is how I do it. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is, okay, so I'm going to turn my work, and right here on this loop here, you can see this right here. I need that, so I'm just going to go and then grab that and then make a slip stitch. So I'm just securing it and I'm pulling my puff stitch. If you, oops, I am so sorry, I went down. Yeah, I noticed that I went down. So I'm going to repeat it. So right that loop there, you can see that loop, it's the back of the knit stitch. So I'm just going to grab that just like this. Like this. The reason I'm doing this because I want to pull this down, and I'm going to make a slip stitch. Okay, just see, so you can see my puffs are pulling apart. So I'm just going to continue knitting, and then I'm going to make another one. Okay, I'm just going to make another one right here. So I'm just going to knit until, you know, the pattern tells you when to do it. Okay. So I'm going to make another one. I'll show you. It's so easy, but you need a crochet hook, some sort of. It's easier than the knitting needle. That's all I can say. And then it gives you this beautiful puff. Can you see? It's huge. So again, I'm going to pull it just like this, a little bit high. So yarn over 1, 2, 3, and 1 more, and pull it at once, and then secure it, and then go on the back here, right there, but I need this on the side, right there. Grab it, and then make a slip stitch as tight as you can, and here we go. Can you see? This one's a little bit bigger. I did it, I pulled it a little bit more than the other one. So let me come to the other side, and then I'm going to make one here, one here. Okay, I will knit and I will see you there. Okay, so here I'm going to make another one. Again, pull this, pull, or you can do it like this. There's another way to do it. Then, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and then pull 1, just like that. And then just grab, so we're right here, we're going to grab that from the back, just like this, and then make a slip stitch. And then you continue knitting. So I put that on my knitting needle and then I just continue knitting. Just want to show you how, this one's a little bit small, yeah. I could have pulled it more. So try to pull as more as you can, and then that will give the fullness of the puff stitch or bobble stitch or knot stitch, whichever you would like to call it. Okay, show you one more time. So like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, and pull it once just to secure it. And then what you do is you just come and then you just grab it and make a slip stitch tight, and then you continue knitting. Okay, I'll show you one more time. See, it gives you this nice fullness. Okay, so let me show you one more time and show you how it looks. Ta-da! Isn't this nice? I hope this tutorial helps you, because it took me a while to figure it out, because I usually was doing it with the needles, and then I figured out crochet hook. And yeah, so poke your crochet hook, pull at once, yarn over, 2, 3, and then 4, and pull at once, chain it, secure it, whichever you call it. And then right here, I think this is the easiest way for me to show you. Right here, just grab this one from the back, because we're going to bend this. See, when I grab it, and then make a slip stitch as tight as you can, because I'm bending it, right? Okay. And when I bent it, you can see how it looks. This is just fantastic. Put this back and then continue on. So I'll show you one more time, and I hope you get the hang of it. It's super easy. We don't make puff bobble knot stitches often. Knot stitch, first time I saw this on the pattern, I think it's a British term. I don't know, I never heard about it. Okay, so one more time I'm going to show you. I think this is the easiest way to do it. Yeah, so poke your crochet hook, pull 1, yarn over, 2, 3, 4, pull at once, chain 1, and bend down. It's right here, it's this one that we're going to grab. This fellow here, just the one on the bottom here. Grab it and make a slip stitch. Ta-da! Isn't this fantastic? I think it's brilliant, and I'm happy that I'm using my method, or else if I did the tutorial, the pattern. The pattern is referring to the graphics, the charts, which I'm not happy with. So let me just finish this row and show you how the puff stitches, how the bobble stitches, how the knot stitches look. Ta-da! This is how it looks like. Okay, I'm going to think, I'm assuming, if you're a knitter, you're going to wonder, what is this? What is this? I'm commissioned to knit a sweater, and the sweater is called, let me just give you the, you can check all my things on my Ravelry if you have a Ravelry account. Ravelry. It's called the Gulvik, Gullvig. I will put the link on the. I will pin it if you're interested, but I would not recommend to buy the pattern because there's no pattern. It's done on charts, and I'm just following pictures what people have been knit with. So, and I'm using my own experience, my own judgment while I'm knitting this. I just wanted to point out. So, by Nora Gahan, yeah, and then everyone's complaining. Like it says, there's 29 people who's been knitting this, and there's only 10 people who posted pictures with the finished look. So I just wanted to show you how to make these beautiful bobble stitches, puff stitches, knot stitches, whichever you call it. But I think my method is the easiest way how to do them. And as you can see, it's done so easily. So I hope you like this short tutorial. I just wanted to share it with you. So I did total of 4 of them, and I hope you understand it. It's just wrap. It's like a puff stitch, but yeah, it looks full and it looks beautiful, and I just love it, the end result. So I had to share it with you guys, and you guys take care. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit that notification button so every time I post a new video, you will be notified, indicating there's something for you to watch that I have posted. Today is December the 12th. It's almost Christmas. Holiday season is here. And if you're just watching it, I would say happy holidays, and you guys take care. Bye bye. Happy knitting.